Welcome to e-learning, Standard 10th, Chapter 6, Animal Classification. Last year, you studied classification of plants. It helped in understanding the diversity of plants that inhabit the planet Earth. According to recent studies, estimated animal species on Earth is approximately 7 million. It is not possible to study each and every species. If groups and subgroups of animals are formed, depending on similarities and differences, it will make study easy. History of animal classification. Aristotle proposed artificial method of classification. He was the first to perform animal classification. He classified animals according to body size, habits, and habitats. Artificial method of classification was followed by Theophrastus, Pliny, John Ray, Linnaeus, etc. Later on, natural system of classification was followed. It was based on body organization, types of cells, chromosomes, biochemical properties, etc. Natural system of classification was used by Dobzhansky and Mayer. Benefits of animal classification. Number 1, study of animals becomes convenient. Number 2, study of few animals from a group helps to understand about that entire animal group. Number 3, it gives idea about animal evolution. Number 4, animals can be easily identified with great accuracy. Number 5, it helps to understand the relationship of animals with other living organisms. Number 6, it helps to understand the habitat of each animal and its exact role in the nature. Number 7, it helps to understand various adaptations shown by animals. Traditionally, depending upon presence or absence of the notochord, the animal kingdom has been divided into two groups, non-chordates and chordates. You have just heard the word notochord. Now let us see what is a notochord. A notochord is a long rod-like supporting structure present on the dorsal side of an animal body. It keeps the nerve tissue isolated from the remaining body. Characters of non-chordate animals are as follows. Number 1, body is not supported by rod-like notochord. Number 2, pharyngeal gill slits are absent. Number 3, nerve cord, if present, it is on ventral side, it is solid and paired. Number 4, heart, if present, is on the dorsal side. Characters of chordates are as follows. Number 1, body is supported by notochord. Number 2, pharyngeal gill slits or lungs are present for respiration. Number 3, nerve cord is present on the dorsal side of the body. It is hollow. Number 4, heart is present on the ventral side of the body. The kingdom Animalia is divided into two sub-kingdoms. subkingdom non-chordates, and subkingdom chordates. Subkingdom non-chordates is divided into 10 phylums. Number 1, Protozoa. Number 2, Porifera. Number 3, Nidaria. Number 4, Platyhelminthes. Number 5, Echelminths. Number 6, Annelida. Number 7, Arthropoda. Number 8, Mollusca. Number 9, Echinodermata. Number 10, Hemichordata. Subkingdom chordates is divided into phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata is again divided into subphylum Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Vertebrata is divided into 5 classes. Number 1, Cyclostomata. Number 2, Species. Number 3, Amphibia. Number 4, Reptilia. Number 5, Aves. Number 6, Mammalia. The conventional system of animal classification is not in practice nowadays. A new system of classification is followed. At present, the new system which is followed was by Robert Whitaker. According to him, all multicellular animals were included in kingdom Animalia. This system of classification is based upon some criteria like body organization, body symmetry, body cavity, germinal layers, segmentation, etc. There are 5 criteria for new system of classification. A. Grades of organization. B. Body symmetry. C. Germ layers. D. Body cavity. E. Body segmentation. Now we shall do each one separately. In grades of organization, we have protoplasmic grade of organization, cellular grade of organization, cell tissue grade of organization, tissue organ grade of organization, organ system grade of organization. Protoplasmic grade organization. In unicellular organisms, all functions are performed by a single cell only. This is called protoplasmic grade organization. Example, amoeba, paramecium. Cellular grade organization. In some multicellular organisms, tissues are not formed. This body organization is called cellular grade organization. Example, sponges. Cell tissue grade organization. In some animals, many cells form tissues. These tissues perform body functions. Example, jellyfish, hydra. Tissue organ grade organization. Tissues are organized to form some organs, but complete organ systems are not formed. Example, tapeworm, planaria. Organ system grade organization. Different organs form organ system that performs specific functions. Example, human beings, frog.